For this DIY project, you guys will need a mixture of things. It's kind of all over the place. Basically, I'm using some Sharpies just to draw on my little box that my little container that I am going to make for this video. You guys will see later on what I need them for. Also, a little jelly mold, some gelatin, unflavored. You can't use like strawberry flavor because then it won't come out right. So mine is just the Knox original gelatin. I got it from Target. You can find it at any grocery store. You will also need some food coloring, a container to put your bath jelly in, and I got these two little containers from the 99-cent store. You can find them and buy a pack of 10 only for $1. And then you will also need some body wash. I have clear because I am coloring my jellies a certain color, and then also you will need a vanilla almond scented bath salt or any bath salt of your choice, and that is basically it. Also, you will need some water. What you're going to want to start doing is start adding all of the mix to the little container, and then you're going to want to slowly, and so once you add some water, you're just going to start mixing it, and you're just going to mix it basically until this goop forms into a liquid, basically. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir in more water, and this water is boiling, so be very careful, and the boiling water is going to make it kind of like get down to what you want it to be, the texture you want it to be, which is basically like a liquid without any of the goop. Once you are done mixing it and it's all pretty much liquid, like I said, you're just going to go ahead and take your food coloring. I have jelly food coloring, but it works just the same as any other food coloring. I'm just going to go ahead and get some. And I want mine to be opaque, so I put a little bit more than I would usually put. So that is the color I want it perfectly. So just go ahead and mix that in. Make sure it's all one color, and this one is done. So basically, as you can tell, this one's like a green color, just like a tree. So I'm really happy with how this one turned out. It's green just like a Christmas tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and go put this inside of my refrigerator. And guys, don't forget to add your body wash. I am so dumb, I forgot to add it. But basically, for 1 packet and 1 cup of water, you're gonna need 2 ounces. So I just have a dye bottle because that's all I could find with 2 ounces. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up with 2 ounces. Now that it has 2 ounces and it's measured out perfect, I'm gonna go ahead and pour that inside of the mixture. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and mix that in until it is all liquid. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. If you want to get rid of the bubbles, all you have to do is get a napkin and soak them up. Or just leave it alone. I think I'm just going to leave mine alone only because that is the back of the mold, so you won't even be able to see that. And I'm going to go ahead and put all 3 of these inside of the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Another really easy DIY is get 2 little containers, and basically you're going to go ahead and grab your Sharpie of whatever color. I actually don't have red, which sucks, but I can do little snowman with a blue or anything. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the lid, and I'm going to just draw whatever my heart desires. So I'm going to draw a little, let's see, I will draw a little snowflake. So basically you can draw whatever you want, and we're going to put the bath salts in there after we are done with our drawing. Basically, I think these are perfect for stocking stuffers or anything you want, but I think they're so cute for Christmas, and yeah. Okay, so now that you are done and these have sat for about 2 to 3 hours, all you're going to want to do is I am going to basically just put it into little containers such as these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of mix it up. So I'm going to get a spoon that is disposable, or, I mean, actually it doesn't even have to be disposable, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and scoop it like if this was like real Jello, and I'm going to go ahead and scoop it and put it into my little container. And I'm going to go from like the red to the green to the red, and just go ahead and make your own little mixture. You can do ones that are all red. This looks so cute. This one I made all red with a little bit of green in there, and you can use these for the people you give them to. They can put them on the side of their kitchen or inside of their bathtub, and they can just grab little pieces when they want to use it. So that's perfect, and I think it's just a really good idea. So now getting onto my second little option is you can use a mason jar. I got this mason jar from the 99-cent store. These are mason sealing or self-sealing. So you can, this is really cute for Christmas because I think mason jars are just cute in general. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing I did with the little containers. I'm also just going to scoop it in there. So just plop it all in there. And this is fun because since it's taller, you can do different little like mixtures. You can do half and then half green and then half red and then half green. So that's what I like about the taller mason jars. So I am done with my mason jar one, and this is how it came out. I think it's so cute because it looks like Christmas colors all wrapped in one, and it's just, I don't know, it's so cute. And you get a lot of product, I guess, in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab my lid, and this is how the lid looks. And then you're going to just go ahead and put it on, top it off, and you are ready to give it to someone, whoever wants jelly body wash. So that is a really neat idea, I think. And last but not least, with our little Christmas tree jelly, I suggest that you leave it in here for when you give it to the person. So you can also give them the little jelly holder or the silicone holder, but for the sake of this video, I want to take it out and show you guys how the back looks. So all you have to do is kind of like jimmy it out. It usually should come out pretty well. So I'm just kind of like loosening up the sides. There you go. You're coming out well. And you are all done with your DIY Christmas jellies. So this one came out so cute. I love it. And that is it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.